Out of our keenness to bring the highest degrees of comfort, quality, and safety upon pilgrims, the Jamarat Bridge has been developed as a key project to an essential Hajj pilgrimage ritual. The multi-level bridge is structured as follows. Ground floor. One level receiving pilgrims inbound from Mina via Al Jawhara Street number 56 and Souk Al Arab number 62. They return via the two paths designated for them, north and south of Jamarat Courtyard. First floor. Through the shaded southern pedestrian course, number 1. Through the southern slope to the east. The northern slope serves those coming from street number 116, street number 204, and street number 206. Return trips take place through the pathways south and north of the Jamarat Plaza